there's not much else I can do on it. But the last thing that I did was picked up my dog. Oh, oh, look at his puppy. I just made this out of cardboard. It took me quite a long time, like especially the fur and the lifelike features. He's so cute. Well, time to let my cardboard creature be set free. Be free!
Yes, just go.
What are you doing? Okay. You're back! Bye, dog. But, yeah, I just finished a scope. I say a lot. And Claire, what are you looking at?
When can we finally do this?
Okay.
Okay, 3.
Today I have my.
Oh my god.
These bloopers are gonna suck!
It's already 2 minutes, like 30 seconds. 3, 2.
No, don't put your hands in front. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Go ahead and send me a link. Not a link. Send me a comment in the doobly-doo. Right down there. And, what do you want? Is there something?
No, it's okay. Just keep going. I wasn't looking at you at the time. Okay.